Hey everyone, excuse the dark background, but I couldn't be bothered to reach over, turn my light on. Okay, so it is officially the end of 2021. Thank God, what a year. So what I thought we'd do in this video, before we jump right back into the usual videos and makeup and tips and all that kind of stuff, is just have a quick brief overview, and you can tell me in the comment section what you're most grateful for. I always remember the quote where it said you can be anything you want, but don't be ungrateful. And I love that quote because being grateful, I think, is one of the nicest things you can be. So I wanted to take a moment to kind of thank the people I'm most grateful for. So first person, of course, is Robin. Now, Robin is the gentleman who edited the house tour video and the Christmas tour video, and of course the gentleman that I live with. And you can tell by those videos as well, I think, that they weren't edited by me. He's very, very good at B-roll editing, very good. He should probably edit all of my videos, if I'm honest. Maybe that should happen. But I'm very grateful for him, lovely guy. He's actually currently here, obviously, since we live in the same house, but he has COVID. He got COVID on Christmas. Up till today, I have managed to avoid it. How much longer that will happen, I have no idea, since we generally live in an open plan house. So it's been quite challenging, to say the least. But he's absolutely fine. He's just really, really run down. But I'm very grateful for Robin, very grateful. Just truly am. So the second person that I want to give an honourable mention to is Simon. I've known Simon now for 26 years. Simon was the reason I moved to Wales from Somerset. And obviously we don't live together, but just lovely, lovely, lovely. Very, very pleased that I met him. Interesting enough, he's just been very, very poorly recently. He was in hospital, had 2 blood clots on the lung, so that wasn't very nice. But, you know, it's these people that come into your life and ultimately change things, and he's responsible for that. So, you know, very grateful. One person who I really want to give an honourable mention to, not that she'll see this video, and that's part of the reason why I like doing these things, because people don't see them that I know, is my friend Sean. Now, Sean was the person that swapped Christmas decorations with Robin, not me. I could care less about Christmas, just saying. But I love Sean. Sean has a husband called Steve, who is as adorable as she is. They are the kindest people, but I have this incredible specialness and closeness with Sean. I just love her. Everything about her I adore. She lets me be exactly who I am, accepts my personality exactly as it is, which is like that at times, and I just find her the most dreamy, lovely person that I truly have ever met, and I'm incredibly thankful for her. I am, of course, thankful for my family and all the people that I call my family. I'm not one of these people that believes that just because somebody has a bloodline to you, that automatically favors them above others. I always think family are those that you choose and those that love you back. And for the few people in my family that I know, I'm fostered, so my family is kind of different than others. But for the few family members I know, I am grateful for, very much so. And obviously that leaves me to you, who I am very grateful for you watching my videos and listening to this absolute nonsense that I just posted with piss poor editing because Robin didn't do it for me. Very, very grateful for you. You have watched my videos, some of you from the very beginning, which was 11 or 12 years ago. Has to be now. It's extraordinary, isn't it? 11 or 12 years ago, a decade ago. I haven't aged a day. It's so strange, but I want to say thank you as well, because you are incredible people. You watch my videos. 99.9% of you comment kindly, respectfully, and even with each other when you don't agree. I feel like I have some of the best subscribers just because of the way you interact. You saw me here in the beginning. You witnessed the brush line, the makeup line, and the things that are going to come in 2022. And I want to thank you all very much for that, because it is it was a very important goal of mine to create something that I was proud of, to put something out in the market that was high quality. And it's been a stressful time doing it, without a doubt. I will one day write a book or do a long video on exactly what it takes to release a line when you're not private labeling it, when you're making custom palettes. It is a very bizarre, miserable, stressful experience. There is a reason why. Whenever you see an eyeshadow palette, oftentimes you'll notice that from company to company to company, they will look very similar. The palette, the shape, the size, the amount. It's because it's stock packaging, and there is a reason why it's stock packaging. Obviously the color might be different and their name on it might be different, but it's stock packaging, and there's a reason, because it makes life much easier for the manufacturers who are pressing it. Something I wish I'd known in the beginning, but that's another story. So that's what I'm most grateful for this year. I'm grateful for all these people and yourself for being who you are and allowing me to be who I am. Thank you so much. I wish every single one of you the most beautiful new year and the healthiest and happiest. I truly wish nothing more for you than to be happy in 2022. Let me know in the comment section what you're most grateful for, whom you're most grateful for, and what your goals and aspirations are for 2022. Excuse me if I'm being a little bit quiet while speaking. Normally I'm a bit louder. Robin is asleep, and we got to respect that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.